Meet Dacosta McDonald, a 105-year-old man who has never been sick a day in his life.
Yeah, so 30th of August this year will make me 105.
Be 105 this August here.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. Right.
He credits his longevity to his diet, which is mostly plant-based and includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. In this video, Dacosta McDonald shares the 5 secrets that he believes have kept him healthy for so long, and he also talks about his lifestyle habits. Let's take a tasty trip into Dacosta McDonald's eating habits. It's like a food adventure. Dacosta keeps it fresh and green with a mostly plant-based diet. That means he steers clear of processed foods, sugary sips, and red meat. He's also not big on white bread, pasta, and rice. For breakfast, he typically eats blended raw oatmeal with fruits like ripe banana, almond milk, and dates.
I get up in the morning and quick oats.
Okay. Yeah.
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 But raw, you know.
Yes.
Put it in the blender and then put the banana and some dates.
Dates. Yeah.
And almond milk.
When lunchtime rolls around, he's got options. It could be a hearty salad or a stacked sandwich. When dinner calls, you might find him wok-tossing tofu or tempeh for a stir-fry, sipping lentil soup, munching on a veggie burger in a whole wheat bun, or roasting up a rainbow of veggies. For snacks, he usually takes fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds. He also makes sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. He believes that staying hydrated is crucial to overall health. Dacosta's diet is one of the factors that has contributed to his long and healthy life. He is a role model for many people and an inspiration to everyone who knows him. He recalls one of the things that influenced his proper eating habits, and he says it was while in his younger days in school, his teacher always said, fresh air to breathe, pure water to drink, good food to eat, exercise and rest, and of course, sunlight. This mantra stuck to his head, and he has always practiced it. All his life, he never smoked or drank alcohol. Even at over 100, he regularly checks in with his doctor, and he recommends this for everyone who really wants to live a long, healthy life. This Centenarian says the secret to a long and healthy life boils down to watching one's diet and listening to elders and those who know better than you. The first secret that he believes made him live this long is his habit of regularly going to the beach, bathing in the seawater. Another secret is eating 1 clove of raw garlic every morning with a glass of water.
I used to be going on the beach, regular taking the fresh air. Yeah. And then bathing in the seawater. And then I take garlic every morning.
Right. One clove.
One clove, you chip it.
Yeah.
Drink it with this.
And eat it raw.
And eat it raw. Drink a glass of water, half glass of water.
For the third secret, when it comes to hydration, Mr. McDonald has this to say: I don't forget my warm water in the morning. First thing in the morning before I go take my fresh air. He has a special way of drinking his water. He always adds 2 pinches of baking soda to his glass of warm water, and he does this to neutralize the acidity of the warm water.
Lecturer said that when you take in the warm water in the morning, just put two pinches of baking soda.
Okay.
Because very often the water is acid.
And the fourth secret is getting fresh air in the morning when he wakes up at 4 a.m. He believes that it is vital to get fresh air every day. Dacosta grew up as a Seventh-day Adventist, and so he steers clear of all meat. But here's a surprising twist to Mr. McDonald's story. He wasn't much of a gym buff or workout warrior for most of his life. Nope, he didn't hit the weights or sweat it out in the gym. But as a young lad, he was all about cricket. Yep, he teamed up with his buddies and hit the pitch for some cricket action.
Well, I was never a sportsman, but I used to play as a boy wind ball cricket, making your coconut bat.
He also fondly remembers his time at U-Boat Shell, where he worked for 26 years as a gauger. He regards his time there as the most active years of his life, and this also helped him live longer, as his work as a gauger involved daily physical activities which kept him fit. All his life, Mr. McDonald always had a thing for gardening. Every morning, when he gets up from bed, one of the first things he always does is attend to his garden where he grows his favorite fruits and crops. McDonald, who is a father of 4 and a grandfather to many grandchildren, confesses to being a firm believer in the power of laughter and says it is one of the keys to a long, happy, and healthy life. According to this remarkable man who has seen it all, aging comes with a lot of challenges, and likewise with a lot of benefits. He has faced some challenges as he has aged. He has some health problems, but he has always bounced back. He also has to adjust to some changes in his life, such as the death of his wife and friends. However, he has never let these challenges get him down. He has always remained positive and optimistic. Dacosta McDonald has also experienced some rewards as he has aged. He drove a car until he was 102 years old. He has been able to see his children and grandchildren grow up. He has also been able to travel and experience new things. He has also had the opportunity to give back to his community. Even at 105, McDonald remains active and keeps himself busy through reading and spending time with family and friends. He is also a member of the Trinidad and Tobago Centenarian Club and also an advocate for healthy aging and has spoken at several conferences on the topic. This man is a living example of what it means to live a long and healthy life, and he believes in the importance of giving back to the community. This is why, over the years, he has shared his incredible wealth of knowledge on what it actually takes to achieve longevity whilst remaining in good health and active. Dacosta McDonald was born on August 13, 1918, and he has truly lived the life. He has seen the world change in many ways, from the invention of the television to the rise of the internet. He has also experienced many personal milestones, including getting married, raising a family, and watching his children grow up. One of Dacosta's fondest memories is his wedding day. He was married to his wife, Nevin Noel McDonald, on February 14, 1972, and they were married for 51 years. Dacosta still speaks fondly of his wife and says that she was the love of his life. Dacosta is a living testament to the power of love and resilience.
Trust in God, because we haven't got much time again. Yeah, all the events now show that Jesus is coming soon. So be ready to meet him. That is all I have to say.